Hello and welcome to Conscious Identity. We are a brand that creates awareness and improvement of self. A brand dedicated to self-discovery, self-consciousness, self-motivation, self-discipline. We're a brand that creates improvement of self. We live in a society today where people are not aware or people are not in contact with themselves. When it comes to self-improvement, when it comes to financial wealth, when it comes to development of your life, why are you not where you want to be today? Why are you not that rich? Why are you not that wealthy? Why are you not where you think or where you're supposed to be? You all need to understand that it all starts with self. It all starts with yourself. You really want to know yourself. You really want to know what you're capable of doing. You really want to know what you're capable of. And that's the whole purpose of conscious identity. We create awareness and improvements of self, self-motivation, self-discipline. Discipline is needed to get you to where you want to be or where you need to be in life. And that's the whole purpose of conscious identity, to motivate you, to inspire you to know yourself so you can achieve and realize better things for your life. You really don't want to work that 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life. You want to be in control. You want to be in control of your time. You want to be in control of your finances. You want to be in control of your reality. And it's possible. It's very, very possible. Don't let the society tell you otherwise. Don't let the society tell you otherwise. Some of you, if I ask you now, some of you can't even realize, or some of you can't imagine your best life. Why? Because you don't think it's possible. You can't imagine your best life right now because you don't think it's possible. You can't even imagine your best life. I'm here to tell you, and I'm here to show you the light and show you the way. It's possible. You know, it all starts with your imagination. The world is built on imagination. This world is built on ideas. It's built on creativity. So you all need to understand, that you all need to realize that the mental aspect comes before the physical. In order to change your reality and manifest the dream life you want, get abundance you seek, become a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, you really want to be successful, you really want to be rich, you really want to be in control, it all starts with your mindset. It all starts with getting your mindset right. Once you can get your mindset right, it's a wrap. And that's the whole purpose of conscious identity. You would like to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share this with your friends and your family members, because this is a journey literally that was going to take you from your lowest to your highest self. More content is going to be coming out on self-improvement, self-discovery, and realization. Over the series of this podcast, or through the series of this podcast, following me through this journey, or following me through this path, you're 100% guaranteed to improve your life, in every area, financially, mentally, spiritually, physically. So it's important to stay tuned. This podcast and this series of events is for those people who have a dream, those people who have a dream, who have a vision, and are ready to take action, and are ready to get motivated, to get inspired daily. This platform is for you. You want to get to know yourself. You want to live the life beyond your mind's imagination. Like I said earlier, this world is built on imagination. You need ideas. You need to get creative. You need to know how to sell. You need to know how to make sales. Every idea in this world that has been, or that you've entertained, is someone else's idea that was sold to you or impressed upon your mind. Welcome to Conscious Identity once again. And this is what conscious identity is all about. Making you understand the subconscious or the unconscious blockages stopping you from manifesting the life you desire, the life you want to live. You made the right choice, you made the right decision by tuning in and making a commitment to follow conscious identity through this series of podcasts that will be coming. It's going to keep coming. It's going to keep coming. Self-motivation comes first. We all need to get motivated to do whatever we need in our life to get that drive that we need to manifest our dream reality. Once again, I welcome you personally to Conscious Identity. I'm Tony Whiskey, the CEO of Conscious Identity. You made the right decision by tuning in, and you will make the right decision by continuing to subscribe and get familiar with more updates. More content is going to be coming out, so it's important you stay tuned. You stay subscribed. You recommend this to your friends and your family members, your loved ones. This is real. This is the time to take our power back. This is time to take control of our reality. You need to understand your thoughts create your reality, and this is time for us to realize that subconscious mental blockages stopping us from manifesting our dream reality. Thank you once again for tuning in. Welcome to Conscious Identity. God bless.